Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create storage account in Azure portal. So let's move to Azure portal. As you can see, we are Azure portal. Here in Azure services, click on storage accounts. Now click on create. In resource group, click on drop down menu and choose your resource group in which you want to create this storage account. In storage account name, give any meaningful name for this storage account. In region, you can choose your region where you want to create this storage account. I am going with default region. In performance, standard is good for our testing purpose. In redundancy, click on drop down menu. I am going with local redundant storage. Then click next. In advanced, we do not need to change anything. Click next. In networking, public endpoint is good for our testing purpose. Click next. In data protection, default retention period is good for our testing purpose. Click next. In encryption, default encryption is good for our testing purpose. Click next. Here in tags, in name type name, and in value type any meaningful name. Then click next. As you can see, our validation passed successfully. Now click create. As you can see, our deployment is in progress. Here it will take a couple of minutes. As you can see, our deployment is completed successfully. Now click on go to resource. Here you can see the overview of our storage account. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.